Keilim Perek Chav Daled Mishnah base. And again we have the pattern of three. Sholosh agolos saying three types of wagons. Katadra. This is a wagon. Katadra is the same word as the Latin word cathedra, which means it's a chair with a back and sides. This is a wagon made with high sides, made for riding in it. Therefore, it's made l'shchiva v'yeshiva tamei medras. This is a wooden keli, and people sit on it. It's like a truck or a van. It's tamei medras. You may think that's obvious. In fact, Tosfos says in Menachos that if the yeshiva and the yeshiva is not actually made primarily just to sit in it, in this case, it's made just to transport something from A to B. The way you transport the thing from A to B, the person sits in it, but it's not made as a chair. It's made as a form of transport. Tosfos seems to hold this is not something which is called osir l'shchiva v'yeshiva. So the Chazon Ish says in this type of wagon, you sit on it. People sit in it even when it's not moving. So when it's parked, you sit in it just to have a rest or to have a chat. Therefore, it's called osir l'shchiva v'yeshiva. So it's tamei medras. Kemitar, if it's basically flat, not made for riding in, it's just made for transporting articles and luggage, then it's a classic kli 8 with a base kibble, because we're assuming the bottom of the agola has little walls on the side to put things in. Therefore it's a standard kli kibble, and it's not osir the shchiva, and therefore tmei tamei meis is a classic tumas, it's mekabel tumas maga. The shalavonim, however, an agola used to carry stones, big boulders and rocks, Torah meklum is in ganzen Torah. The reason is, say the Rishonim, because this agola doesn't have a proper base. It's got a network of big holes. You just pile the boulders in. But under the rules of Kli 8, because the holes are bigger than a moitzi rimoin, therefore it's not considered to be a Kli kibble at all, and therefore it's tahor. This subject itself, when you make holes lechatchila bigger than a moitzi rimoin, whether that invalidates the kibble is a discussion of the achronim, but suffice it to say, Rov Rishonim seem to say that as soon as you make a kli with holes bigger than a moitzi rimoin, even though you made it lechatchila for that, it is no longer a kibble and is in ganzen tahor. And we'll move on to Mishnah Gimel.